Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and in this video I would like to show you the way how to create a bound text on CapCut for your video. So the first thing that you have to do, you need to prepare the project. So you already have the project here with this type of the video, and now let's create the text. To create the text, you just need to take a look on this button features with the text symbols right here. Just go click it, and let's go click this add text. Now you can just start to adding the text here. And after you got it, you can just positioning the text as well as styling the text by go visit the style section. But then here, I just want to keep it this way, and I would like to add the animations. Just go into the animation sections and make sure that you are stay in the loop. And now you just need to, okay, my bad, we need to, in the loop section, you just need to like scrolling down until you found this bounds. Okay, so this is the original one, and now you need to choose this dance effects on the loop section and adjusting the speed of the bounce or the dance movement of the text. Make it slow, and after that you just need to go click checklist button right here. And now we need to drag this text until it's stay in the like left corner, and after that you just need to go click this add keyframe, and after that go drag these straight lines here into the specific or several parts over here, and drag the text into the downside. Go drag the clips again, go drag the text again, and do it until the end of the text duration. And now let's check for the result. You can see that your text is bounced all over your video. So that's the way how to create the bounce text on a CapCut for your video. Hopefully this tutorial today is useful for you. So don't forget to leave some comment, like, and subscribe into this channel, and I will see you for the next video.